My name's Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Today, we're going to make scrambled eggs in the microwave. The first thing we have to do is crack a couple of eggs on a flat surface and pop them into a bowl. So we got one egg, and we've got two eggs. Cracking them on a flat surface will ensure that the shell doesn't fall off into the eggs. The next thing we're going to do is take a nice pinch of salt and a little bit of fresh cracked pepper. Then we're going to take a fork and just whisk this up until it's smooth and creamy. You can add a little milk or water if you like. That looks really good. The next thing we're going to do is place this in the microwave and cook it for 1.5 minutes, stirring every 30 seconds. All right, we're at 30 seconds and we're just gonna give it a stir. We can start to see it cooking around the edges. So we're gonna give it a stir so that it cooks evenly. You get that scramble in there too. All right, we have cooked it for 1 minute so far, and this looks really, really fluffy and delicious. And I'm just checking to see if it's cooked through. It looks like it's a little undercooked in the middle, so I'm just gonna chop it up and give it a little stir, a little undercooked on the bottom as well. So we're gonna throw it in for another 30 seconds and see what that gets us. All right, here we go. This is a scrambled egg cooked in a microwave. It's cooked all the way through, and we're just gonna check it for doneness. It looks really, really light and fluffy, and I just wanna taste it to see how it turned out. That is really, really good. Now, you can switch up the flavors, you can add vegetables, you can add different meats, types of cheeses. Whatever you enjoy is all good with me. My name's Chef Egg, and that's how you make scrambled eggs in the microwave. Peace.